Hey guys, this is my United SU3 2013 bike check. So, start off in the front. I got the ODI long neck grips with ODI bar ends, stock brakes, brake cable, the whole brake system stock. I got the United SU forks. Don't look like they're going to be bending anytime soon. I got the G-Sport hub guard, cinema rims, both front and back. Got stock spokes and nipples, demolition team peg in the back and in the front. Got the Colony headset. It's really smooth. I got the top load United stem. Got the Supreme United seat. Moving back, I got the lost balance. I got the United seat post with the welded on seat clamp. I got the United 25 tooth sprocket. This bike's slow as hell. I hate it when I'm riding far. I'm gonna go to a 28 tooth. I got the United, they're reversible, so they're right hand and left hand drive. I like that about it. The cranks are United's, the E-Clat slash pedals. I got the Demolition team peg, like I said, in the back. I got the Daily Grind hub guard in the back. Best back hub guard yet that I've ever rode. Full chromoly. It's not denting. I got the Premium Stinger back hub. Like it a lot. It's hollow. I don't know if you can see that. It's hollow axle. I got the half link chain. I got the direct tire in the back and in the front. Really good for park and street. And that's my bike check.